In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out who is the Slack administrator. Whether you've just joined a new workspace or you're trying to get in touch with someone in charge, knowing who the admin is can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through the steps together to find this information quickly and easily. First, open up your Slack application. Once it's ready, you'll want to navigate to the Home tab. This is your central hub in Slack, where you begin most activities. Having the Home tab selected ensures you're starting from the right place and everything else will flow naturally from there. Now, take a look toward the top of your screen. You'll find a search bar, which is an invaluable tool for locating messages, files, and people across your Slack workspace. Click on the search bar to activate it. This is where you'll input your queries. Doing this effectively will help streamline your workspace navigation. In the search field, type in directories. Directories is the key component we need to locate because it houses many of the management features, including the ability to filter and identify user roles within the workspace. Once you have typed directories, you'll see a drop-down populate with results. From here, just click on Directories to proceed further. This will take you into the section where you can view different members of the workspace. With the Directories view open, you'll notice various options to filter your search. What you want to do next is locate the Filters option. Clicking on Filters allows you to customize your search, making it far easier to find specific types of users. Next, you should see an option labeled Any Account Type. Go ahead and click on that. This is crucial since this option determines the breadth of your search in locating Slack's role-based accounts. Once you've clicked on the Any Account Type option, a list will appear. Here's the important part. You need to select owners. In Slack, certain roles hold varying levels of authority, and owners are typically those with administrative capabilities, including being the workspace administrators. Finally, with the role of owners selected, direct your attention to the search button. Clicking it will execute your tailored search query, revealing all users who own the space. Among these, you'll find the Slack administrator. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily pinpoint who runs the show within your Slack environment. This knowledge will empower you with the ability to reach out to them if you need assistance or have inquiries related to your workspace. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your Slack journey.